Hi everybody, it's what's for dinner tonight. We're gonna make some pumpkin swordfish, some broccoli and cauliflower, all in 10 minutes. So I got some pumpkin swordfish. It was $24 for 2 pieces. It was almost a pound. Did you know that there are 30 grams of protein in a 7-ounce piece of swordfish? And I'm having a hard time opening, but have no fear, I'll get it there. So that's what the pumpkin swordfish looks like. It's really the same thing as regular swordfish. They just eat more krill, so it gives it that nice pumpkin-y color. But that is the only difference. They say it tastes a little bit richer. I don't really find that big of a difference, but I tend to try it when they have it because it's only like 50 cents a pound more. Now my air fryer is ready. I'm going to get one of my little air fryer liners because I like to use those. I'm going to put our pieces of swordfish. They look pretty big. Swordfish in there. Another piece of swordfish. This cooks in my air fryer in about 10 minutes. I'm going to grab me some lemon. Kind of a trick opening up the lemon with one hand. But have no fear, I'm doing it. And I'm going to grab my seasoning, which is pretty much the same as my other rub, only I don't have smoked paprika in it. So it's got the honey granules, some Italian seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, steak seasoning, a little dry mustard. And there you have it for a little bit of an extra treat since I've been so good. I'm going to put a little dab of garlic butter on it. Just a little bit. One piece. 2 piece, because I like something a little special on a Saturday night. So there we have it. Now I'm going to move on to my vegetables. I have my little microwave steamer. Put a little bit of water in there. Doesn't need much, about 3/4 of a cup. Put the little thing on. And grab some vegetables. Make sure I get some of each. Don't want too many because I don't really like leftover vegetables. And I'll just make them again another night. Okay, so there you have it. I'm going to put the cover on them. I'm going to pop this into the microwave. Kind of hard to do one-handed, but I might have to do that separately. Let's just rebuild it in the microwave. Come under the cover. There we go. Got the little lid on. It's got a couple little vents there. I'll put this on for 4, and let's go half a minute more, 30 seconds. And in 4.5 minutes, that's going to be ready. And another 8.5 minutes, the swordfish is going to be ready. And there you have it. Swordfish, fresh steamed broccoli and cauliflower in 10 minutes. Again, if you want to make your own rub ahead of time or seasoning ahead of time, garlic salt, onion salt, a little bit of dry mustard, honey granulates, some Italian seasoning, and some steak seasoning. And that pretty much does that. I make that ahead of time. So I have it. And there you have it. Have a good night. I hope you have just a good dinner. Again, 30 grams of protein, some fresh vegetables, nice fresh carbs, lots of nice vitamins, lots of fiber. Have a good night.